Hello and welcome guys to the SMS animation channel. Our today topic is about Blender modeling exercise part 2. Today we are going to create amazing model with the just basics of the Blender modeling tips and tools. So first of all we are going to delete the light, camera and cube from the scene, and now we are going to create a plane. Then we are just going to jump into the edit mode, apply the loop cut into the center of the plane. Okay, now onto the left side of the plane we are going to delete the vertices. So let's select the vertex and delete it. Now we are going to extrude the edge to create our basic shape for the modeling. Take it little bit up, then going to extrude it. Okay, now again I am going to extrude it after getting little bit low. Yes. Then again press G and take it down. Okay. Now let's apply the mirror modifier. Okay, and let's on the clipping option into the mirror modifier. Now we are going to extrude this edge. Let's adjust as per our shape requirement. Take a little bit down and again move towards the y-axis. Yes, it's going good. Now let's select these two edges. Yes. Let's first adjust little bit this one. Yes, and let's extrude it again and create one more polygon. Yes, now it's good. Now let's select this edge and this edge, and then right click and bridge loops. Bridge edge loops, you have to click on that. Yes, here it is. Yes, bridge edge loops. Okay, now let's apply the subdivision surface on that. Subdivision surface modifier on that. Okay, now let's apply the shade smooth onto the object. First of all, let's convert into the 3 subdivision surface value 3, and then let's apply the shade smooth. Okay, and then again go into the normal tab and apply the normal object data tab and apply the normal auto smooth. Now it's look good. Okay, now let's apply the loop cut over here and one more loop cut below the that part. Okay, now select the edges and then again right click and bridge edge loops. So we are getting really beautiful shape over here. This look like just alien face, isn't it? Yes, it's amazing. Now let's go ahead by clicking that button. What will be happen in object mode? You will get the you will see the final output, and in edit mode you can see the basic output. So we can edit it properly in edit mode, and modeling technique is going to be really very easy. Now let's apply the loop cut over here, almost like this. Okay, little bit drag down. Yes. Okay, now you can see that very sharp edges are coming over, and that shape was really looking good. Now apply the second loop cut over here. We want to create one kind of beautiful crease over here, so now select the edges, not edges, yes. Okay, you can shift it little bit lower, not this. Okay, yeah, these two. Now let's select down. Okay, okay, enough. Now let's select this vertex onto the corner and adjust it a little bit as per our requirement. Okay, it's done. Yeah, good. Now let's select the faces in between the two loop cuts we applied. Press Ctrl Shift and select. Then now extrude towards the Z axis and the below side. Now let's scale down into the Y axis. Okay, move it little bit. Yes, first of all we have just moved and then let's scale down it. Okay, so now you can see that it's amazing trees we have just created over here. Like in real life you can see onto the objects and it's look really good. Even the modeling section, when you see the robotics and every model kind of that thing, you can find such kind of beautiful idea. Now let's apply the insert over there and insert towards the boundary we have on. Now let's extrude below side. Okay, good. And then let's select these two faces and delete it. We have to just select the one face because we have applied the mirror modifier. So yes, this one. Then press X and delete the face. Yes, it's good. Now select again the face, again apply the insert. Okay, now extrude towards the upper side. Then let's make scale down. Yeah, it's good. And then place G and Y axis, move to Y axis. So you say it's really looking like a beautiful thing. Now let's apply the loop cut over here. Okay, and then we can think, I think we can apply one. Okay, use the knife tool and apply the cut over here. Yes, okay, and then last point, and then just press the enter. Now just apply again and make it a proper loops to connect it to the edge. Yes, good. So now you can see that somehow we have created some n-gons over here also, but don't worry, when you apply the subdivision modifier into the object mode, these n-gons converted into the polygons, so there will be no issue for that. Okay, so now selecting this one more, inside this face, then press I, insert, good, and then extrude again into the lower side, then make it a little bit. Yes, okay, good. Then let's do the scale down and then move into the Y axis. Now it's look good, amazing. You can see that we are progressing very nicely, and it's look really amazing and realistic. And this kind of modeling exercise really going to improve your modeling skill, 3D modeling skill in Blender or in any software like Max, 3ds Max or Maya. So you have to practice such kind of modeling practice in your day-to-day routine. Now let's select again, create a one more loop over there. Okay, select the face. Sorry. Yes, select the faces. We have just apply one cut over there. Now select the faces and just apply the inside and then extrude on the downside. Okay, good. Now let's again jump into the edit mode and select those, delete those faces. Each face, yes, okay, X and delete the faces. You can see we are going really nicely. Guys, this is really very basic tools we are applying. We are not using any kind of external plugins or not using any kind of extra ideas. We are just stick with our basics, but still you are seeing that we are achieving really amazing look over here. Okay, now we have just selected insert, extruded, and then scale down that portion. Okay, then again insert and 10. Let's make it extrude again. Okay, not that part, but the faces we are going to select, outside faces which we have created by the insert, and then extrude it downwards. And then scale it down a little bit into the Y axis. And now Let's see how it's look. You can see that it's looking really amazing. See, the basic tips are giving us really amazing. Now just apply the modifiers. Let's undo the first. You have to apply the mirror modifier, then you have to apply the subdivision, otherwise create a error on that one. Okay, now you can see that it's getting proper. Now let's apply the mirror modifier, subdivision surface. Now you can see that we don't have any n-gon over there. Okay, now let's select again the left side of the model which we have created already, and okay, remove this portion. Okay, again let's try it. Undo, control Z, and then again selecting that area we just extra have. Okay, now let's X and delete the faces, sorry, vertices, and now again apply the mirror modifier. That's good. Now what we have to create, we are just going to create some specific holes or extra elements on our model. So let's select these faces over here, then press I and press I again, so it's not in towards the boundary but individual insets on every faces. Then again extrude faces, okay, towards the downside. Now you are seeing that it's looking nice. Excuse me. Okay, it's good. Now I think we have to, yes, okay, let's select these faces, and then we are going to apply the subdivision surface again, just creating one more element on our model. Now let's extrude, this time press I and boundaries, selected boundary, okay, boundary inside, and then again extrude it towards the downside. Must notice your vertex didn't get overlap when you are doing the inset or such kind of small details, guys. Now apply the subdivision surface again, so you can see that it's look better now. We apply just one value on this time. You can see that it's look really amazing. So our model is almost ready, guys, and it's look really amazing. You can see from the bottom side also. Let's do something more to that area where we have created the hole first of all. So just giving a little bit depth to that, select this loop and then extrude it towards the below side. Okay, make it a little bit bigger first and then we are going to extrude it. Okay, yes, that's good. Now let's select again, yes, and then extrude it below side. That's good, and you can see that it, yeah, okay, when it's okay, yes, when you come out you can see some kind of weird artifacts, so we have to fix it. So first of all we are going to select the surround faces. Okay, let's select the press 3 and select the faces. Control shift, again control shift and control shift, then press I insert. Be careful while you are applying the insert, otherwise it's creating such kind of artifacts, so be easy to create that. Okay, now it's good. Now let's go lower side and select the loop cut over here and apply the loop cut over there, so it will give you remove that kind of weird artifacts which we have seen before. Now you can see that our modeling is amazing, guys. I hope you like this tutorial. Do subscribe the channel, share this tutorial with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much. Stay safe and enjoy your day. Goodbye, guys.